Buddhist councils. First Buddhist council 483 BC, Rajgraha, patron Ajatashatru. Second Buddhist council 383 BC, venue Vaishali, patron Alashoka. Third Buddhist council year 250 BC, venue Pataliputra, patron Ashoka. Fourth Buddhist council year 98 AD, venue Kashmir, patron Kanishka. Buddhist literatures: Polytext, Tripitaka, palm leaves kept in basket, Vinaya Pitaka, monastic code, Sutta Pitaka, Buddha sayings, Abhidhamma Pitaka, religious discourses of Buddha. Milinda Panho, question of Milinda, dialogue between the Milinda and Agashena. Deepavamsha, Mahavamsha. Sanskrit text: Buddha Charitra, Saundara Nanda, Sutralankara, Shariputra, Prakarana, Vajra Suchi, Aswagosha, Mahavibhasha Shastra, Vasumitra.